When loading a semi, the truck driver needs to be inside the building, not in the truck. Truck drivers must chock block tires whenever the truck is being loaded. Forklift operators are responsible for making sure the truck driver chocks their tires. Beacon does not allow electric stand-up forklifts to load and unload semi-trailers. Always double check that the forklift has been inspected before you use it, even if you observe someone else using it. If you find an oil leak, you should complete remaining inspection, write maintenance work order, have maintenance determine the usability, and clean up or contain the oil. If a gas forklift does not start, do not keep the ignition on for extended periods of time. The correct distance between forklifts traveling in the same direction is about 3 truck lengths. Skid marks are a sign of poor driving. Reverse torque braking is an unsafe practice. If you hit something, you are required to inform your supervisor, even if you cannot see any damage. The most common cause of accidents among new forklift drivers is forgetting to watch for overhead obstructions when lifting. Forklifts steer with rear wheels. Always be aware of the turning radius. Always secure loads that are poorly stacked. When lifting loads high, the stability of the forklift is reduced. Not all crossbeams have the same load rating per shelf. Raising of a load or the forks while traveling can make the load unstable. Beacon has congested areas where we must use a spotter so we don't run into things. If you need to go forward with a load that you cannot see around, ask for help in making sure the path is clear. Beacon requires a spotter when taking molds from the B shelf. All Beacon licensed forklift operators are issued a license. This license has colored dots to indicate what types of forklifts you are licensed to operate. Compare your license to the label on the equipment to ensure that you are licensed to operate that piece of equipment. Also, mold rack shelves are labeled with dots to indicate what equipment has the appropriate load capacity for that shelf. Always match the dots to keep you and others safe.